Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and in this guide I'm going to show you how you can export all of the user personal data that you want by email in your WordPress site. Okay, so first of all, in order to be able to export all of the personal data for each user on WordPress, you have to log into your admin account on WordPress. And down here, as you can see below Tools tab, you have the Export Personal Data tab on the main menu. I click on that, and as you can see right here, I can add data export request by username or by email address, and then send a confirmation email. Of course, if I want to, I don't have to be able to export and download all of the user personal data. Now, if the user, of course, accepts it, then I will be able to download all the personal data and export it. But if I don't check this option, then I don't have to get his confirmation in order to download the data and export it. Now let's do this and check if I have any users I want to export their data. So this is my user, my only user. I'm just copying and paste this email right here or the username and send the request. Now I will receive an email which I have to confirm in order to export all of the personal data. And this is the email I got, as you can see right here, to confirm the action to export personal data. Now, if I click on this link, I will confirm, and then I will be able to export all of the user data. And then I can see right here on the list I got that I can send the export link, and the system will send to the user email all of his personal data so we can download it or save it. You do that for any personal data privacy policy or any other reason that you need to do that in order to be able to delete the personal data of the user later. And this is the link to download all of the personal data after I've exported and sent the link to the email of the user. So you can see right here, I can download it by clicking on this link. As you saw, it's very easy to export all of the data of the user if you want to, of course, by email. If you have any more questions, you can write it down on the comments below when I will comment. And on the first comment, I put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can subscribe, comment, and share, and good luck.